The book of Daniel chapter 8 and verse 14 says, "And he said unto me, Unto 2,300 days, then shall the sanctuary be cleansed." If you have watched my last video about the Day of Atonement, I briefly mentioned the 2300-day prophecy. I want to talk a little more about that. First off, according to Numbers 14 verse 34 and Ezekiel chapter 4 verses 5 and 6, a day in Bible prophecy is equal to 1 year. So it is 2300 years. And I also mentioned last time that this time prophecy ended in 1844. So the real question is, when did the 2300-day prophecy begin? The book of Daniel chapter 9 verses 24 to 27 says this: 70 weeks are determined upon thy people and upon thy holy city to finish the transgression and to make an end of sins, and to make reconciliation for iniquity, and to bring in everlasting righteousness, and to seal up the vision and prophecy, and to anoint the most holy. Know therefore and understand that from the going forth of the commandment to restore and to build Jerusalem unto the Messiah the Prince shall be 7 weeks and 62 weeks, and the street shall be built again, and the wall, even in troublous times. And after 62 weeks shall Messiah be cut off, but not for himself. And the people of the Prince shall come, shall destroy the city and the sanctuary, and the end thereof shall be with a flood, and unto the end of the war desolations are determined. And he shall confirm the covenant with many for 1 week, and in the midst of the week he shall cause the sacrifice and the oblation to cease. And for the overspreading of abominations he shall make it desolate, even until the consummation, and that determined shall be poured out upon the desolate. First, I need to tell you that this 70-week prophecy, or 490 days, or 490 prophetic years, is a part of this 2300-day prophecy. And if you look at verse 25, it is fact begins at the commandment to restore and build Jerusalem, and you can read about that in the book of Ezra chapter 7. This was the time Artaxerxes, the Persian king, sent forth the decree to rebuild Jerusalem, which happened in the autumn of 457 BC. If you add 2300 days to that, you will find that it ends in the autumn of 1844. I'm going to have to leave it at that for now. We will talk more on these verses in Daniel 9 and go through all these prophecies and events that happened between 457 BC and 1844 AD. It really is a deep study. Until next time, this is John Tinsley with Everlasting Rock Ministries, and always remember, the truth never fails. God bless you.